So we are waiting for PMI news and consumer sentiment to drop here in just a little under 6 minutes. So we'll wait on that. Don't want to get caught in any sort of news manipulation or anything like that. I do see a bearish unicorn setup that I think will fail. It looks like it's already failing. Looks like a little bit of a trap, if I have to be honest. We have a little breaker here, putting in new high, taking out this swing high here, selling off, fair value gap overlapping the breaker on the 1 minute chart. Obviously it's delivering from this breaker. We got equal highs right here on the 1 minute chart. But we did take out the previous weekly high on NQ overnight during London session. So we got London high that took out previous weekly high. We'll see if that gets taken out as well. Marked out a couple things here just to keep an eye on. New York midnight, we're right at it. And then we got a little bit of a opening range gap below price right here. And I just marked out the consequent encroachment of that. Yeah, this looks bullish, but yeah, guys, I like this was a little 1 minute CISD order block here. This could respect and fly. I think I just want to taper it though. It just feels wrong. It feels it feels wrong to just go long right now. After sweeping London high and previous weekly high, something about it just don't feel right. But yeah, tape reading this as we speak. Order block, CISD on the 1 minute chart after reacting off this fair value gap here in unicorn. I'm just gonna tape read the long right now. We are leaving behind a fair value gap that we could look to enter off of. I'd put my stop loss below 50% of this order block, mean threshold. Relative equal highs here, as long as we didn't form SMT. Okay. Put my buy limit on there at the 1 minute fair value gap. But we were tape reading this order block, so it's not like a complete lost cause. We identified it, saw it in real time. Just didn't get to be a part of it, unfortunately. I will say I don't like the fact I'm not worried about the sell side as much as I'm worried about the SMT that just formed. Like the SMT at these highs is more what I'm worried about. But fucking A, man, this looks clean for a long on NQ. Just to kind of fucking A, make myself feel a little bit better. I'm gonna modify my risk and just go a little bit lighter. I'm reducing risk only because we got SMT at the highs here with ES. But yeah, I see all the sell side you're talking about. But you keep in mind, like I'm trying to keep in mind that higher time frames. What have we seen? We saw a 4 hour bearish gap get inversed. I'm sorry, a bullish gap got inversed and it got reclaimed in the very next candle. As well as like looking at the daily, we already kind of checked it out, but like we're delivering from a daily gap. Yes, we've taken on highs. Even on the weekly, we've gotten. Well, this weekly candle is yet to close. This looks bullish to me on the weekly chart. Previous daily candle was a CISD closing above here. So, higher time frames to me look bullish. Oh, come on. No. No. You're joking. You're kidding. You're fucking with me. You got tapped in? I don't know how I didn't get tapped in. No way. The low of this candle is 59.50. I'm literally one tick off. Are you kidding? Well, that'd be something. If this plays out, it's a win in my book, bro. I don't give a shit. I don't care. I'm gonna make a TikTok video saying that I won today. Oh no. Come on. I'm putting the hat on forward because I don't know what else to do right now. Like, I don't know what to do with my hands. All right, well, you guys enjoy your profits. I need another cup of coffee after that. Here's what I'm going to say. If you got tapped in, remove your risk. I'm deleting this. I don't even want to see it come back. We just formed a fair value gap. This is classic AMD. This should accumulation, manipulation. This should distribute higher. If this comes back, it's probably failing. If you got tapped in, remove your risk. We just formed SMT as well with ES. ES just took the high. See that? Lower high here. Higher high on ES. So I'm going to trust what I see on the chart. I didn't get picked up by a literal tick. That's really unfortunate. But it is what it is, man. Oh, boy. We'll see here. Obviously, I missed it. And I'm not entering again. Or not going to put my limit on. I don't like it now. I don't like it now. Okay. So you guys just got to stop that break even. Yeah. That's what you get. Entering without me. How's it feel? Yeah. But don't feel too good, does it? This day ain't over yet. Feels great up 1.6% in the day. Fuck you, Renzo. Dick. Just kidding. You caught a nice London trade, though. You show off. You're just better than all of us. You're up 1.6%. Whatever, man. Oh, I hope you guys are having as much fun as me. What I was going to say was, before I got distracted by the chat, was if we inverse this gap here, I'm in, baby. I'm going long. We're just hitting a 15-minute fair value gap here as well, guys. You know what, guys? I'm going to do it. I'm going to go long, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm in. I'm going long, and I'm putting my stop loss. Do I want to put it below this low? Do I want to put it below 50% of the OB here? I don't know. What do I want to do? One or the other, though. That's for sure. Oh, we're having fun now, folks. Oh, we're having fun. But yeah, the reason I actually like this trade now is the 15-minute fair value gap. I, for whatever reason, wasn't even paying attention to that. Looks like a little uni, if I do say so myself. Who knows? This could backfire on me. We did have SMT here. What? Hell, it's only money. We got to see it hold this. I believe if this doesn't hold, I am most likely SOL. Let me know if you guys are in with me or not. Who's with me? Who's with me? Hell, I might even add to this thing if we inverse this. Gustavo's in at 44.75. What the? 144? Jesus Christ. Your entry is basically my stop loss. You might as well remove risk. If it stops me out, it'll stop you at a break even. If it hits stop loss, free month. Yeah. You know, I do want to like start streaming at some point here on YouTube, like one day a week or some shit. So that's free. The other thing that I'm liking about the trade for now is the fact that all these bodies are holding this gap here. Like, I know we're in drawdown right now, but oh, speak of the devil, no, we're not. Oh, we're all getting rich as fuck. T-Boner, why do you charge so much? On a real note, kind of rinsing my bank account. You think I charge a lot? I used to charge 149. Hell, the reason I did that, one of the biggest, when I first started the Discord, probably the biggest Discord in the trading space was TJR's. He was charging like 200 a month at that point. I'm like, Jesus Christ, 200 a month? And, you know, when I was in IM, bro, I paid 300 a month. I paid 300 a month. So I don't fucking think my shit's expensive at all. Oh, yeah, Renzo, you pay 149? I thought you left, though, and came back. Bro, you could cancel and pay 120. Don't do it, though. Seriously. Don't do it. I deserve it. Thanks, man. See? Renzo's a fucking real one. All you other guys hate us. So I'm going to leave it on. I see the equal highs here. I see ES working close to previous weekly high. At this point, it feels like it would be hard to think we wouldn't want to come take all that out. You know what I'm saying? I think you guys know what I'm saying. And I know I said I was thinking about adding to my position if we inverse this gap. But you know what? Call me a bitch. Go on Twitter and call me a scammer. I don't give a shit. I changed my mind. Sue me. All right, guys. We just took those equal highs. Let's go ahead and remove our risk. I don't really see much reason for why price would want to even come back down, so why not? Remove risk. I'm just going to hold this thing to... I want to try to hold for -2 to 2.5. I only got one contract on. If you guys have the ability to partial and you want to partial like at this high here, do your thing. I very easily could have been in 2 contracts. Because of all the SMT that was up here, that's why I was only one. But it so I just don't think there's one size fits all advice for traders, for anybody, right? It's like everybody's in a different situation. Everybody's got a different experience and all that stuff. So who am I to just try to give you a one size fits all answer when you're in a different situation than me and vice versa, and everyone's in a different unique situation. This will be 65 points if she smacks the -2, which would be 1,300. And I'll close it. I'll manually close it when we get there. Might as well trail this thing. I kind of want to just trail this thing up. Like, this swing low shouldn't be violated, I don't think. You could have the same concepts, but one person could be right, one person could be wrong. All right, guys. Target hit. Closed my trade. Let's write up the confluences here. So let's start from the higher time frames. Daily, bullish, CISD. Delivery from daily, FEG plus, bullish order, bullish fair value gap. Yeah, 15-minute unicorn. We didn't even really get a fair, it was a fair value gap entry, but I would almost, it was like a fair value gap in like a turtle soup entry, to be honest, because we swept the low here. Do we have SMT at the low there with ES? No SMT at the low there because we took it out on ES as well. But we'll say, yeah, we'll just say FEG plus turtle soup entry. Well, I guess we forgot to include the 4 hour. 4 hour. I'm just gonna say FEG, just for easy explanation, because it was, we inversed it and then we reclaimed it. So anyway, I'll just say FEG plus reclaimed. Target was -2 standard deviation. The other thing that we had in mind as well is that ES could go take previous weekly high, which it did finally. Any questions? Let me know if I missed anything. I think we got it all. I'm gonna screenshot this, get my executions on there so people don't think I'm a capper. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Friday. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys on the sessions next week. All right, peace out, guys.